Bonjour! Here we are in French class. Let's start by doing a little review while I take attendance. In your notebook, so you need your notebook and a pen or a pencil, as usual. On a piece of paper in your notebook, list the days of the week and the months of the year. Then in your notebook, translate the following sentences into French, filling in the blanks that are left. What's in the brackets tells you what you need to say. So for example, my name is, you're going to add your name. You'll add the number of years that you are old. You'll add whether you're pretty or handsome, and you'll say you're not stupid. You are welcome to use your notes, remember, when you do this kind of work, because it's not a quiz. So press pause if you need to as you're working, and then we'll go on. Okay, I apologize for this slide being so blurry. I'm not really sure why that is, but we'll just do the best we can do with it. We're going to be talking more about objects today. And one of the things we need to know how to say when we're talking about objects is there is or there are. There's just one phrase for this. It doesn't matter if it's masculine or plural, or feminine, masculine or feminine, or plural or singular. We just use il y a before the object. So say it after me. It's il y a. Il y a. Perfect. Est-ce qu'il y a? Is there? Remember est-ce que? Remember qu'est-ce que is what? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? But your answer to those questions will always be il y a, there is. So now we're going to learn a few objects that we're going to talk about in our rooms, and we're going to learn more stuff that you find in your bedroom. Our sample sentences for this are, dans ma chambre, in my room, dans ma chambre, il y a une télé. In my room, there is a television. Dans le garage, il y a deux voitures. In the garage, there are two cars. Est-ce qu'il y a, which is there, est-ce qu'il y a un ordinateur dans la classe? Is there a computer in the classroom? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le garage? What is there in the garage? What is in the garage? What is there in the garage? Okay, let's start talking about our bedroom. These are the things in our room and also in a house that you would find. Some of these we've talked about, some we haven't. We're just going to start at the beginning. The first one is, as you can see, it's very small there. It's un lit, is a bed. Say it after me, un lit. Un lit. So now you know how to say j'ai, I have, right? Because you can say j'ai 10 ans. I have j'ai un lit. J'ai un lit. The next one is a desk, un bureau. Répétez, un bureau. Un bureau. Excellent. For those of you who speak Spanish, it is not a donkey, it is a desk. Un bureau. Super. Une chaise. Répétez, une chaise. Une chaise. A chair. Une chaise. Now, you might ask, why is it un bureau but une chaise? Why is this one masculine and this one feminine? It's just the way the language works. There are no reasons for it. We just have to go with it. The window, une fenêtre. Say it after me, une fenêtre. Une fenêtre. Excellent. A lamp, une lampe. Répétez, une lampe. Une lampe. Remember, you can pause if you need to write things down. Next one, une table. Répétez, une table. Une table. And the last one is a door. Répétez, une porte. Une porte. Let's go through them all again. We'll start at the beginning. Say them after me. Un lit. Un bureau. Une chaise. Une fenêtre. Une lampe. Une table. Une porte. Let's go backwards. Une table. Une lampe. Une fenêtre. Une chaise. Un bureau. Un lit. And one more time to the end. Un bureau. Une chaise. Une fenêtre. Une lampe. Une table. Une porte. Fantastic. Now, we've learned a whole bunch of objects and places to put them and put them next to each other, in front of each other, behind each other. These words are called prepositions. So prepositions tell us the relationship between two or more objects. For example, I am in the classroom. The relationship between me and the classroom is that I am in the classroom. If I was outside the classroom, the relationship between me and the classroom would be outside, right? So if I am next to the table, the relationship between me and the table is next to, right? That tells me where I am in relation to the table. And if you want to say where something is, you pretty much have to say what it's near, under, on, next to, beside, etc., etc. We're going to learn 6 or 7 of these. Let's start with the first one. The first one means on. Say it after me. It's sur. Sur. Remember to pause if you need to. Le ballon est sur la boîte. Le ballon est sur la boîte. A boîte is not a square, a box. Le ballon, that's a ball, est sur la boîte is on the box. The ball is on the box. Le ballon est sur la boîte. Let's try the next one. Under or underneath is sous. It sounds a lot like on, doesn't it? It's a little different. Say it after me. Sous. Sous. Sur is, sur, I wanted to go backwards, is on. It's pronounced sur. It's a high U. And sous is a low U. Sous, under, underneath, beneath. Le ballon est sous la boîte. The ball is under the box. Dans, in or inside of. Le ballon est dans la boîte. Le ballon est dans la boîte. Say it after me. Dans. Dans. Fantastique. In front of, devant. Répétez, devant. Devant. In front of. Le ballon est devant la boîte. Le ballon est devant la boîte. Remember, every time we have an OI, we always say wa, even if there's that little accent. Le ballon est devant la boîte. Le ballon est derrière la boîte. Behind. Say it after me. Derrière. Derrière. Le ballon est derrière la boîte. Le ballon est derrière la boîte. Right? It is behind the box. Oops, missed an accent there. Entre. Between or in between. Say it after me. Entre. Entre. Le ballon est entre les boîtes. Right? The ball is between the boxes. Le ballon est entre les boîtes. Le ballon est entre les boîtes. Fantastic. We're going to practice this a little bit, so keep your notebook right handy for you. Remember to pause if you need extra time to do something. Let's do a few together first. We have le ballon and we have la table. Where is the ball in relation to the table? It's on top of it. So we'd say le ballon est sur la table. Say the sentence after me. Le ballon est sur la table. Excellent. Try the next one together. Uh-oh, the ball is in the toilet. La balle est dans la toilette. Répétez, la balle est dans la toilette. Excellent. La balle est dans la toilette. You do not want a ball in your bathtub, on your toilet, that's for sure. Here we go. Another one we'll do together, and then I'll give you some to do on your own. La balle est blank le bureau. In front of, right? The ball is in front of the desk. La balle est devant le bureau. Say it after me. La balle est devant le bureau. Super. Suzette est, she's behind the desk. So we're going to say Suzette est derrière le bureau. Suzette est derrière le bureau. Le crayon est, it's on, right? So le crayon est, fill it in. Le crayon est sur la chaise. Le crayon est sur la chaise. Up. Le crayon est, Felix is sitting on the pencil, so the pencil is under Felix, right? So say this one to yourself. Le crayon est, you fill in the blank. Le crayon est sous Félix. Le crayon est sous Félix. Le papier est le cahier. Fill that in. Le papier est dans le cahier. Le papier est dans le cahier. Tommy est, he's behind the table. Tommy est derrière la table. Tommy est derrière la table. Jean-Paul est, this is one we know from before. This is not one of the ones that has, well, I guess actually you can say this one. Yeah, Jean-Paul est behind, he's behind Marie-Claire, so it would be Jean-Paul est derrière avec Marie-Claire. I put avec there, I don't know why. That's a word we already know. Le cahier est, up, it's between two things, right? Le cahier est entre le crayon et le stylo. Le soda est sur le livre. Le téléphone est la main de madame, dans. Le téléphone est dans la main de madame. Right? It's in madame's hand. Madame looks a little green there, doesn't she? Le stylo est, couple options here. Let's see which one I put. Le stylo est dans le cahier. You could also say sur le cahier, right? Because you could say it's on the notebook. Le livre est dans le sac à dos. Le chien est derrière la télé. Le chien est derrière la télé. Geneviève est entre Mia et Mina. Geneviève est entre Mia et Mina. Le stylo est sur le bureau. Le stylo est sur le bureau. Le cahier est in front of. Le cahier est devant la chaise. Le crayon est, oh no, he's eating his pencil. Le crayon est dans la bouche de Timmy. Right, it's in his mouth. La balle est sous la chaise. Le cahier est, you could have two possibilities here. I would say sous, under. You might say in front of if you saw it differently. So, le cahier est sous le bureau, or you could have said le cahier est devant le bureau. Le chien est devant la télé. That is absolutely fantastic. We're going to do some practice in our notebooks. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your notes from today, and this is still part of your video. You're going to use your notes from today and also your notes from the last week of French 1 if you need to, when we learned several objects. In your notebook, I want you to list 7 things in each picture that you know how to say in French. Then you're going to pick one item and write a sentence saying where it is, such as, un livre est sur le lit. So let's list 7 things that we know here. Let's do this one together, right? We know un téléphone, une chaise, une lampe, un livre, un baladeur, une affiche, une fenêtre. That's 7 right there, right? So those could be the 7 that you wrote. And then you just write one sentence like, le téléphone, well, it's not a table, so let's not say that. How about, le baladeur est sur le canapé? Or, le livre est devant la fille. See what I'm saying? The lamp is in front of the window. La lampe est devant la fenêtre. See how that worked? Let's try another one. Picture 2. So now, pick 7 things that you see in that room and write them down. Okay, remember, you can press pause if I'm going too fast for you. 7 things that I would see might be un calendrier, une affiche, un cahier, un crayon, un sac, un livre, I'm going to name even more, une calculatrice, un bureau, une chaise, un téléphone, un appareil photo, une horloge, un vélo, une guitare, un baladeur. Une raquette. I even missed that one almost. I think that's about all of them. Un lit, a bed. Forgot about that. So now you're going to write just one sentence about where something is. My sentence is going to be Le livre est sur le lit. Le livre est sur le lit. So take a few seconds and write your own sentence. Okay, we're going to move on to picture 3. Pick 7 things you see in that one. It's okay if they're the same things you saw in the picture before. Okay, I'll pick some that I see. I'll give you just 7 this time. Une calculatrice, un ordinateur, une chaise, un vélo, une guitare, un appareil photo, une affiche. 7 things. Now you're going to write one sentence about where something is in this room in relation to something else. For example, don't use my sentence, but my sentence might be, le cahier est sous le crayon. The notebook is under the pencil. Now you write a sentence. Pause if you need to. Okay, you have done great work today. Vous avez fait du très bon travail aujourd'hui. Maintenant, on continue avec des activités indépendantes. You have done a very good work today, and now we're going to continue with our independent work. So this is where I say goodbye to you. Au revoir, bonne chance, have a wonderful day, and I will see you later. À plus tard.